Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a calendar widget to the home screen on iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's swipe up to go back to your home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on the Add button at the top. And in here, you want to swipe down and tap on Calendar. Next, you can add in different type of the calendar widget. So here you got a daily widget, and in here you got a monthly widget, and over here you got a list of events for a particular day. So simply tap on the Add Widget button at the bottom, or you can touch and drag it onto your home screen and let go. Then tap on Done. Now I'm going to add in another widget. So I'm going to add in this monthly widget. And then I'm just going to drag it here and then tap on Done. And that is the calendar widget on the home screen. And if you tap on the widget, it will open up the calendar with a selected date, with the current date. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.